This self-adhesive die-cutting folding machine. It is a new die-cutting folding product developed by our company according to domestic and foreign market demand, with automatic paper function to save manpower. The machine PLC control operation is simple. The automatic correction system ensures that the paper is centered. Die cutting and embossing operations can be performed simultaneously, greatly improve production efficiency. Draw type replacement magnetic roller. Pressure gauge regulation. Real-time pressure can be observed in various situations. Independently powered automatic waste disposal system. It prevents the waste from breaking. The die-cut paper is transferred smoothly to the folding system. Follow the preset paper specifications. The process is fast and smooth. Automatic statistical length. Is a perfect self-adhesive die-cutting machine.